Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a 3-wire power cord onto your electric range. The reason why you might have to do this is because the range didn't come with a power cord at all, or because it came with a power cord but it's not the right type. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16 inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a ratchet with a 3/8 inch socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So what we're going to do now is turn the stove around. First thing I'm going to do now is remove this panel. And when you're removing that second screw, just make sure you hold on to the panel so it doesn't fall down. And set it off to the side. Now you're going to have to remove the wires from the plug. Just make sure you keep in mind that you've got your 2 outer ones and your middle one. And when you put them back on, you're going to do the same thing. It's just the 2 outer ones. Shouldn't matter which side they go on. Don't be putting the middle one on either of the ends and then the 2 ends like that. It won't work. So to get these nuts off, I'm going to be using a 3/8 inch socket. And I'll just twist till it's loose. And then I should be able to get them off by hand. So I'll just make sure everyone's loose. And I'll finish taking them off by hand. Make sure you set the nuts off to the side somewhere where you won't lose them, as they're pretty small. Now the last thing we have to do before we can remove this power cord is we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver to loosen up these 2 screws here. You don't have to take them out all the way, just loosen them a little bit, and then the clamp will be loose enough for you to pull the wires through. So you can take the leads off and pull it down through. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement power cord. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now we'll feed our power cord back through. So just push that up through the space. Put each of the leads on their respective screws. And now we'll tighten the clamp. You can grab your nuts and screw them back on to those screws there. And we'll do each one hand tight as far as we can go. And once you've got those nuts as tight as you can, grab your ratchet and finish them up. And now we'll put the cover plate back on. There we go. And now we can turn it back around and plug it back in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.